Today's video is a get ready with me for a date night for Valentine's Day. As you can see, I'm dressed in all pink, very excited for Valentine's Day. And I'm excited because this video is sponsored by Ulta Beauty and their Hair Heroes series. So you can skip to the hair part if that's what you want to see, or just follow along on my journey of getting ready. So I'm just gonna do a voiceover for the makeup part because if I talked this through in real time, it would take forever. So first I'm just using the Benefit Primer and putting that in my T-zone, and then I'm putting my IT Cosmetics CC cream on, and I really focus putting this in the middle of my face and then use a brush to buff it outwards. This really creates like more of a natural finish, which I love. And then I'm gonna use the IT Cosmetics concealer and put this on my under eyes to hide any dark circles. I don't want to look tired on date night, really. And then also on any zits that I have, and then just use a brush to kind of blend that in. Then I'm using the Benefit Hoola bronzer and a brush and just going where I would normally contour and adding some warmth back into my face, and I also like to do a little bit on my nose. And then I'm going to use some cream blush. This is the CoverGirl cream blush in the Clean Fresh line. I'm just dotting that on my cheeks and on my nose. I am obsessed with blush lately, especially cream blush. It makes such a natural flushed appearance and I think it's so pretty. And then I'm just going to go in with the CoverGirl highlighter stick on my nose, my cheekbones, and my eyebrow bone, and then also on my inner corner of my eye, and rub that in with my finger. Then I'm using the revitalash Revitabrow eyebrow gel and putting them upwards, and then using a Benefit eyebrow pencil and filling in any spots that need a little bit of help. Then I'm going to use the same eyebrow pencil and draw on some freckles. I really concentrate on my nose and then on the cheekbone area. This is where I naturally get freckles in the summer, so I like to kind of emphasize them in the winter. I think it's really cute. Now I'm taking a MAC lip liner in the shade Boldly Bare and just overlining my lips slightly and then using my finger to smudge it out. And then I'm taking a CoverGirl lip oil that's tinted and putting that in the middle of my lips and just kind of rubbing them together. Now I'm curling my lashes and putting on the Revitalash primer and then the mascara. It's like a dual-ended situation that's really good. It makes my lashes look super long, and I just am kind of layering it on because I want them to look really thick without any false lashes. So now that I am done with my makeup, I'm going to move on to my hair, and this portion of the video is sponsored by Ulta. I am working with them on their Hair Heroes series for the month of February, and this month is all about shine. So before I blow dried my hair, I used this Biolage hair milk in it, and this really detangled my hair and made sure that my hair wasn't too frizzy, and that's like perfect for adding shine. So now that my hair is dried and styled, I'm gonna put a pump of this Blonde Me Shine Elixir in my hair. As you can see, it has all of these gold reflex in it, which I love. It makes my blonde hair look super shiny and healthy, and that's exactly what I want. So I'm just gonna take it and put one pump in my hand and then distribute it from the mids to the ends of my hair. Another product that is highlighted in the Hair Heroes series is the Diva Curl High Shine Oil. It's kind of a thinner hair oil specifically for people with curly hair. So I didn't use it this time, but my hair was super curly. If I curled it like tight ringlets, I would probably use this to just add shine back into the ends of my hair. So for this date night hairstyle, I don't want to go too overboard, so I'm just going to do a half up braid and add some fun accessories. So start by putting all your hair to the back and then taking 2 equal sections from either side of your head, and then you're going to split each section kind of in half and then join those 2 middle together so you have 3 sections to work with, and then cross the right over the middle, the left over the middle, the right over the middle. Continue doing that until as far down as you want. Then loosely hold the bottom and pull each section outwards and upwards. It makes the braid look so much thicker than it was before. Then you can just secure it with a small clear elastic and pull it apart as much as you want. So now that the braid is done, I'm going to take out any face rimming pieces, right next to my face and right around my ears. This adds more of a undone look, which I love. So now that my hair is styled how I want it, I'm gonna use this BioSilk Silk Therapy Shine On Spray. This is gonna tame my frizz and make it look shiny and add like a gloss on top of my hair. And if I needed more, I could also use the Bed Head Rush, but I only really use one finishing spray, so I'm gonna use the BioSilk today. Now that my hair is set in place, I'm gonna just add this fun oversized scrunchie to the end of my braid and see how that looks. Next up, outfit.